Over half of Korea's population lives in the Seoul metropolitan area. This fact is hardly surprising, and the trend is likely to intensify in the years ahead. In fact, since 1970, this tide toward the capital region has never reversed, not even once. And despite 3 decades of sustained government efforts aimed at balanced national development, why does the population still keep gravitating toward the capital region? At a broad level, people concentrate in a city for 3 reasons: productivity, the cost of accommodating population, and overall amenities. Where productivity is high, there are more high-quality jobs, and wages are higher. Naturally, people gather there. In cities where the cost of accommodating additional residents is low, and infrastructure such as public transit is well developed, congestion rises less sharply even as the population grows. And a pleasant environment is, in itself, a powerful draw. In short, cities that combine high productivity and strong amenities while keeping accommodation costs low are the cities that attract people. KDI examined Korean cities through those 3 lenses. In 2005, productivity in the capital region and outside it was broadly similar. But over the past 15 years, the gap has widened dramatically. Job growth and wage increases progressed much faster in the capital region. During that period, while accommodation costs in the capital region did rise somewhat, they remained consistently far lower than in non-capital regions. Amenities, meanwhile, were higher outside the capital region. This pattern became even more pronounced after 2005. How much did these shifts affect the capital region's share of the population? Suppose amenities and population accommodation costs had remained unchanged, and only the productivity gap had widened. In that case, by 2019, roughly 62% of the entire population would have concentrated in the capital region. In reality, however, because amenities and accommodation costs did change, if only modestly, the capital region's share remained around 50%. Yet as long as productivity continues to rise rapidly in the capital region, while tending to decline in non-capital regions, reversing the concentration trend will be difficult. In the 2010s, productivity in knowledge-based industries, especially in Gyeonggi Province, rose, while traditional manufacturing, the backbone of many non-capital regions, weakened. As a result, regional productivity fell. If productivity outside the capital region had improved instead, to what extent could population concentration have been eased? According to KDI's analysis, if productivity in non-capital manufacturing cities had simply been maintained at its 2010s level, the capital region's population share would have fallen by 2.6 percentage points from 49.8%, implying a reduction of roughly 1 million people. Moreover, if productivity in those manufacturing cities had risen by as much as the national average, the capital region's population share would have declined by 6.5 percentage points, corresponding to an estimated reduction of about 2.6 million people. In other words, the productivity decline of non-capital manufacturing cities played a decisive role in driving concentration toward the capital region. As one approach to dispersing population, strategies to cultivate hub cities have recently drawn attention. The analysis indicates that productivity in each hub city would need to rise on average by 8.2% for the capital region's share to fall to around 46%. Then the question becomes, how can hub city productivity be raised further?
재정 투자를 통해 생산성 개선을 이끌어내는 것은 쉽지 않습니다. 빈 땅에 신도시를 조성하기보다 기존 대도시의 생산성을 높이는 데 초점을 맞추어 집중적인 투자를 시행할 때 비교적 가능성이 높습니다. 비수도권을 대도시 중심으로 재편하는 것이 수도권 집중 완화에도 효과적일 것입니다. 그 과정에서 비수도권 내 격차는 어느 정도 감소해야 합니다. 장기적으로 이러한 공간 정책이 효율적으로 작동해서 국민 경제 성장으로 이어지기 위해서는 중앙정부의 조율 역시 중요합니다.
To mitigate concentration in the capital region, raising productivity in regional cities is indispensable.